उठ जा। नुहा उठ जा, मम्मी को भूख लगी है, मम्मी को चक्कर आ रहा है। उठ जा प्लीज, प्लीज उठ जा, प्लीज। गेट अप बेबी, गेट अप, गेट अप। नुहा गेट अप, गेट अप नुहा, प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज। मम्मी को बहुत भूख लगी है। गेट अप, कम ऑन, चलो कम आउट, कम कम। ऊपर क्या आया? सन आया? सन प्लीज उठ जा। मून और स्टार्स चले गए, अभी सन बाहर आ गया। गेट अप, कम ऑन, कम ऑन। ओके, आपको स्लीप करना है? ओके, तो फिर मम्मी नहीं आएंगे, मम्मी आपको ब्रेकफास्ट ही देंगे, ठीक है? चलेगा आपको? हाँ, इज दैट ओके? मम्मा का अकेले जाके ब्रेकफास्ट करे या? ओके, बाय बाय देन। ओ नुआ चुप गया। बाय देन, बाय। से बाय टू मम्मा। बाय। So are you ready with letter C?
Yeah.
Okay, so here is the letter C. Okay, so now can you tell me where is the cheese here in this picture? Okay, wow. And the cherries? And the cherries? Oh, wow. Yeah. And Nuha, do you know that C starts with Chachu too? C for? C for what, Nuha?
Okay.
No, cake. And Chachu?
Sasu.
Yeah. Where is your Chachu?
Am I on?
Where is your Chachu? He's in India?
Yeah.
Okay. So now you have to see C for cups. Can you show me the cat now?
Yeah.
Where is the cat in the picture? In the picture. Okay. And then do you see carrot? There's one carrot over here down. Can you show me the carrot? You're feeling very spicy, huh? Paratha is very spicy. Anyways, can you show me, you have your water, and can you show me the carrot fast?
Why? Big carrot.
Yeah. Big carrot?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then can you show me the cow?
Cow.
Cow. How does the cow do? Where's the cow?
Wow.
How? Oh my god. Nuha, you show me the cow.
That's cow.
Yeah. And can you show me the car?
Car.
Where's the car? More to be found.
Cat. Meow.
Meow. Whoa, she does meow?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then can you show, you have C for cat, C for cow, C for carrot, C for cheese, C for cake, C for castle, C for cow. And there is one more thing with C, that is C for Chachu. You like Chachu?
Yeah.
You love Chachu?
Yeah.
And where is Chachu?
India.
India. Okay, now say bye to Chachu.
Bye.
Chachu, bye Chachu. Are you ready, Nuha, for letter D?
Yeah.
Okay, so letter D, our next letter D, which starts my dog's name. His name is Danny. So can you see the dog here?
Then dog.
Yeah? Wow. And can you see the ducklings, the ducks over here in the water? Oh my god, 3 ducks. Okay, and the dog just loves the game. And
My big dog.
yeah,
big duck.
yeah, there's a big duck, and that is a mama duck, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and
This short dog.
yeah, small ducks. So now the dog loves the game, and then can you see the daisy? Now can you see the donkey?
Donkey.
Show. That is deer. Yeah, it's donkey. And where is the deer?
Lego.
Oh.
It's a bull.
Okay. And now D is also for daddy?
Daddy,
No, I'm not saying Teddy. I'm saying daddy. D starts for daddy?
my daddy.
Yeah, your daddy.
My daddy.
Where is your daddy?
But he's got office
And when he's going to come?
on Saturday.
When?
Saturday.
Saturday.
Hi.
Hi, Nuha.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Doctor said.
You're playing with Dr. said?
Yeah.
You're check.
Upstairs the carpet.
Yeah.
Upstairs the
Who's your patient, Nuha?
patient.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sitting on carpet.
Okay.
Kara boo boo.
Okay. And Nuha, can you show me your tea trolley? Can you prepare tea for us, please?
Let's go back like Yaya.
Yeah, the big cup.
You want bigger?
Yeah.
Okay, yay.
Thank you, Nuha. Thanks for the tea. It's yummy. It's good tea. Okay, Nuha, can you write something on the board? Where is your board? Nuha, your chalkboard?
Stop.
You're doing drawing? Yeah? There's your chalkboard. Wow. And you're doing... Who taught you ABC? Who taught you ABC, Shana?
This is ABC Sylvester.
Okay, that's good. So Nuha got...
Okay, clean this.
You want to clean that?
Yeah.
Don't clean it. We'll study in the afternoon today. Okay? So Nuha got her doll and Nuha got her board. And wow, Nuha got so many gifts in her birthday, right?
Yeah.
Nuha's gifts. Okay, so Nuha got the balloon and Nuha got her books. Nuha, these are your books?
Yeah.
Wow, you got your laptop? Wow. Okay, and you got which color laptop? Blue and?
Blue and purple.
You like purple?
Yeah. And blue.
Okay, and these are your books, Nuha?
Yeah.
Okay, and you got a greeting card too?
Yeah, this one too.
Okay, and then these are your library books. Okay, and this is your doll?
Your big doll.
Wow, and who gave
And this big doll.
this all?
It's princess doll. Princess.
This is princess. Okay, so this princess doll dances?
Yeah.
How? Oh, this way. Wow, it turns around? How it turns around? Okay, wow, Nuha. And then you got the cycle also.
Yeah.
Who
and
gave
my
you the cycle?
Daddy.
Daddy. And Nuha. Okay, so
Nuha
you
got
got a Nuha, can you show Chachu? Chachu loves train. He wants to see how the Changi train works. Can you show Mama? You show your Chachu. Everyone are seeing you. You poopy. It broke? Oh, it broke down. Anyways, we'll fix it. So Nuha got so many, and this is your doll house, Nuha. You haven't opened your doll house yet?
Yeah.
Why?
Yeah.
This is a big doll house. So my God, who gave you this such a lovely doll house?
Yeah.
Okay, so Nuha's playroom this is, right? And Nuha's enjoys in this room? Huh, Nuha?
Yeah.
You like this room?
Yeah.
And Nuha got moon and stars also up. Right? Which glows in the night? Yeah? Can you show me so there is a moon, star and so many planets up. Right? Oh wow. So Nuha, you are you going to play in this room now?
Yeah.
Okay. Fine, then we'll say bye to all of them. Whoever is watching you now.
Yeah.
We,
And I like Sasu.
you what?
Sasu.
You like Chachu? So say bye to Chachu.
Bye, Sasu.
Say bye to Poopi.
Bye, Puppy.
Say bye to Mamu.
Bye.
Bye Pama.
Bye, Mama.
And bye to Papa. Bye to Aji. Bye to Ammu.
Sasu.
And Ammu also bye.
Bye to
Dudu? Who's Dudu? Okay, anyways, fine. Okay, then bye, Noah. Go and ride your bicycle now. Okay, can you show me purple now?
Where? Where's Papa? This?
No, that's Nuha, you're messing it up. This is purple.
Yeah.
Okay, now can you show me brown color?
No.
Think. Where's the brown color?
I will get one.
Wow, give me a high five. Give me a high five fast. My baby is so intelligent. Okay, now you're going to color Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Okay, wow, Nuha is really great. So, Nuha, you do your coloring. We'll say bye. नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, can I say bye to you now? Can you do coloring? Say bye. 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 Nuha, you done with the coloring. Now where are you going? You're going and playing in a tent?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, such a big tent, Nuha. So you like playing in tent? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, where are you gone? I can see you. Where are you? Oh my God, you're coming out of the tent. Wow, that's great. So you enjoy playing in tent? Yeah? Can you please keep your tongue in, please? Okay. So Nuha, keep your tongue in. Okay. So again, bad girl you are. Anyways. Okay, so you play in the tent. So you have done your coloring, you've done your ABCD, you played in tent. So okay, you play in your tent. Fine. Bye, Nuha.
Bye.
Bye. You go and play in your tent. Where are you going? Where are you going? What? What? You want to play in tent? Then what do you want to do? Then what happened? You tired?
Yeah.
You're bored?
Yeah.
What do you want to do? You're upset?
Yeah.
What happened? What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Tell me. You want to play with toys? Huh? Or you want to play with, you want to do coloring, or what do you want to do? Tell me fast. Nuha, I'm talking to you. You want to rest? Okay, go and sleep on the bed then. Bye. Go and sleep. Bye-bye. Say bye. Don't cry, baby. Nuha, you very tired? Nuha, you very tired?
Yeah.
Okay. You don't want to do more shooting? You're very tired?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Okay then Mama will not do. This is the last video. Bye. Bye to Chachu bolo.
Bye.
Everybody. Bye Chachu, Poopi
What to do?
and Poopi.
What to do?
दूधू नहीं दूधू नहीं बोलते. अच्छा अच्छा एक बार अब बोलो माय मम्मी, वो वाला बोलो.
My mommy
हाँ
and
फिर से
my mommy and
ये क्या होता है माय मम्मी आना?
my mom. ऐसा क्या बोलते
ऐसा कौन बोलता है?
मैं उसकी मेरी मम्मी.
किसकी मम्मी? क्या दुख रहा है? किसने?
मम्मी ने.
झूठ बोल रहे हो आप. हाँ, आप क्या कर रहे हो? जिम्नास्टिक? ये कैसे गिल गए आप? आपको क्या हुआ? किधर अपी हुआ? ओके, चलो फिर अभी हम लोग बाय बोलते हैं सबको, ठीक है? बाय.